Yo, right, let's do this. Seria A is literally on the second. Right, it said that it showed the Bundesliga one for some reason, but I don't have a clue. Yeah, sorry, it's been a while, guys. How are we doing? Yeah, I have a lot of Microsoft points, and not a lot of coins, you can tell. What's happened? I sold everything. There you go, plain and simple. I've pretty much given up on FIFA 12, really. I wasn't annoyed. I don't know if any of you know that follow me on Facebook, but I'm going to America in the summer coaching with a company called Challenger Sports, and I'll be off soccer coaching. I've also decided I don't care what. Why did I get him before when he was Team of the Year? All I'm doing is redeeming and getting rid of everything. I don't want anything. Yeah, give it summer. I'm doing soccer coach for 9 weeks on the East Coast in a place called Providence. So I figured there's no point having a great ultimate team if it's just going to go and then I get a new one when a new one comes out. FIFA 13, which comes out the week after I come back when I get home. So I figured I'm going to do what I did on FIFA 11, where I sold everything, just had coins, and I'm going to get trolled, whoever that is. Sell it all, get coins, and sell that on eBay for real money, and then with the real money put it in my private bank account and then save it for when the new Ultimate Team comes out, and spend the whole thing again on packs. And obviously everyone comes out at the start, they have to get loads of people out there, so figured if I'm spending as much as I sold on packs, then booyah, money made. So, but I've taken £30 out. Well, it's 3,000 Microsoft points worth out for this. I'm going to do the same for League of BBVA. But I've definitely got a lot left in this bank account. So, idea is get some more people in packs now, and then if I get someone good, sell them straight away, get the coins, sell them on eBay again, get some more stuff, more money if I want to get FIFA 13. This is the plan anyway, so massive pack attack here. I don't care if I get like contracts and injuries. I won't be putting them in clubs or sending people to trade pile. I just want Team of the Year people, even if I get Team of the Week. If you haven't seen it, it's Tonk. I think the best player in there is the 82 left wing, super in form, Utaka, and the silver one's good enough anyway. I loved him. So obviously, not off to a good start. Couple of packs down. Fly through. Oh, cheers news thing. I don't care. What else was I going to say? Yeah, sold it all on eBay for, I sold 100k. Per 100k it was £13.99. Yeah, it seems steep, but people buy it, so why not make money off it? And I sold 1.3 million's worth. So you can do the math if you want. PayPal takes 61p of any transaction that you make, and eBay, they haven't sent me an invoice yet. It's usually about 20 quid. Yeah, it's a lot, but you know, what do you expect? You're using their services, how else are they going to make money? Coins again. No informs. No good formations. Hey. It's alright. I need to spend all the time I can buying packs, because you've got about 15 minutes of mad packs before prices start depreciating when there's enough on the market. They'll already be about, well, what are we, 5 minutes in? It's now 6:05 recording for me, so there'll probably be about 2 or 3 of people on the market already. They'll be very heavily overpriced, and if someone really wants them, they'll buy them right now. If not, they'll wait for someone to bring the product, because they'll be ridiculous with Team of the Years. I mean, when I got Scott Parker, I've had Team of the Year Scott Parker, by the way. It wasn't like good Team of the Year, it was a community one. Oh, I don't know any of these names. No! Blue! I saw blue! I saw blue! Wherever you are, get on the market right now. Oh my god. 1 down. Yes! Buzzard. Team of the Year. Team of the Year. Oh my god. Got one on camera. Oh, I've had Team of the Year Scott Parker, Team of the Year Joe Hart, and whoever that was. He's a bench, I think, isn't he? Oh, he wasn't even good. 70 pace, 88 defence, 87 heading, I think I saw. I saw blue. Jesus Christ. Gosh, Strafe. 1 Team of the Year. Just wait till I get League of BBVA. Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Oh my god! Oh wow! What? What? Storing club. What's going on? What's going on? I need to get him up now while he's worth bear. Dude, have I just been trolled? Was I going to get that? That's in there. Was I going to get that? Twice? Oh, no. No. Don't have put it in there by accident. No. Come on. He's there. He's there. I've got him. Whoa. Sweating. Oh my god. Oh, what? Where'd the other one go? Where'd the... What? No. Oh, no. No. I had 2. I had 2. You guys saw it. This video's going into... Oh, no. Twice. I got him twice in 2 separate packs. No way. Oh, my God. Oh. No way have I just been trolled. I'll put him up for quick auction and get him twice. Oh, I hope it appears later. Because if I've just got 1... Oh, I thought I had 2. Oh, I just got trolled. I'm down. Oh, don't be a flipping heck. Oh, I had 2 Team of the Years. No way. Oh, I got him twice. You guys saw blue. Nah, troll. EA, troll. Got him twice. That's on camera as well. They're going to feel stupid about that. They're going to owe me some points or a Team of the Year guy. Tell you what, cut you a deal. Ibrahimovic. And I won't air this. Deal? Deal? No? Okay then. You're getting trolled now. It's going to the news. It's going to the press. Wilshire. Wow. No, it's rubbing salt in the wounds now. Look at it. Oh, you mad, bro? You mad? Oh. No one cares. Go home. I got him twice. No. Ugh! Fuck you, EA. Got him twice. Name appeared twice. Quick auctioned him first time. Sweating. Absolutely sweating. Made $1 though. I want more now. I got a blue card though. Got bench warm and everything. First up, had him up within. Let's have a look. Got him up within 10 minutes. What's he gonna go for? Who? Deniger! Oh my god, 5-star skill moves log joke. He's a flipping retard. Sorry for the Liverpool fans. Oh, look at all that caring that I did. Hang on. Oh, you gotta go to the end. I've seen too many people discard packs with coins. Oh, I had him twice. Oh, I'm gonna go back at the end of this and check. That is so unfair. Oh, he's from Benfica of all places as well. Gary. Oh, no way. People were getting like Ibrahimovic and stuff. I had 2 of the same guy, and I got 1. How? How does that work? Oh, don't freeze. Wow. Oh, with movement. Who? Oh, I didn't see any blue or black. Whoever you are, Coney. Oh, so unfair. Julado. Whoa. Oh. Right, I know I'm probably annoying you now, keep going on about it, but if you had 2, same guy, I think it was the same formations, you know, I reckon it was just a glitch now thinking back on it. I've never quick auctioned someone before, and they wouldn't let me, makes sense. But I got him twice. Camera rage. Oh. That's all coins, I think. Nope. Nope. Rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. Oh, all the coins getting spent on packs as well. I am getting someone good. Great. Ugh. If you don't go for more than 50k, we got a problem. Of course it's downloaded. How far are we in now? 13 minutes past 6. First 15 minutes are vital. I don't believe it. Now they decide to show up. Germans. Gallas, Adler, Menes. Don't care. I don't play this anymore. Don't care about trading. Last packs. 3,000 Microsoft points. Wowzers. I don't do giveaways anymore, by the way. As you can tell, I've been discarding everyone. You could have had all these players, but I just get rid of them now. I've strayed away from giveaways because I was losing out too much. I've figured all the money that all the coins I've given out, and all the players that I've given away in giveaways, I could have. No. But is he? He is as well. He is. He's a team of the year. I give up. He's a team of the year. He's a team of the year. Wow. Oh no. Just download. He's a team of the year. Oh wow. Hopes up. Hopes were up. He's in team of the year. I don't have 2 team of the years already, but they just decided to give me 1 because EA suck ass. Carlos Eduardo. At least he's got 5-star skill moves. I don't know what he goes for, but people want him, I think. Oh, I'm not in a good mood now. Not in a good mood. I don't even think I can buy anymore. I think I'm down to my coins now. Can I buy a normal one? Is it normal? Yep. One of these. Oh, this is the pack I got my team of the year Joe Hart in as well. Believe it or not. Ooh. Just, you know what? You owe me, EA. You owe me. I want to go back on that trophy pile and see that I have 2 Team of the Year Garets. No, you are. Right, when I sign back in, I better have 2. Should have 2. Oh, of course you're unable to send my activity because EA servers is just one guy with one box that sparks up every Wednesday. And he's like, oh no, it's overheating again, quick, pour some water on it. Burns it out, signs the bare people out, come back in, get a pack. No one in it. Ready? There'll be no one in it. Oh, you saw him on TV then. Well, hey up. You owe me. Owe me. I'm gonna get no one. You watch. Cut. Pissed off. I'm gonna check the trade pile now, EA, and there's gonna be 2 of them. No, there isn't, because I'm selling 2, and would you just look at that? Nope. He's not even got a bid on him. Isn't that lovely? You know what else is funny? I was wrong, wasn't I? He's not in Team of the Year. I've seen it somewhere though. Damn! Don't matter, Plastier's not in Team of the Year. I saw it in a picture before. I got excited. He's not tall, Jack. You're an idiot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got about 5 of these. God! I'm having a good day. Absolute storm. I don't believe it. 2 of them on video. On video. You would. Oh, you couldn't even write this. You know what? I'll take that back. You could. EA can write it. They write pretty damn well as well. No, don't. Oh, I pressed it. Oh, you know what? Just give me the coins. No. Oh, joystick. Really? You're costing me. And now you want to do it twice. Oh, just don't. Oh, you just couldn't. Ambrosini, not even blue. He's not even blue. Oh, Ambrosini, he's not even blue. Seria A players. Whoa. Got him twice, and you've all seen it. He's not even in it. He was in it before. God damn it. Oh. Janssen. He's not even blue. Oh, at least I've had 1. Hey, there you go. Spend less than KSI. And I got a Team of the Year. Hey, it's not Ibrahimovic though, is it? And it's not the same guy twice in 2 consecutive packs. No, no, don't, no. No. Coins. I don't need them anyway. Oh, Carragher. Oh. You mad, bro? Why is he so quick? No, don't. Wow. Oh. Oh well. No, I'm so used to pressing that. 21 minutes in. Jesus Christ. Parker. I've already had him. Team of the year. I don't care. Nice kit, Malaga. Johnson. Wow. Fitness, yay. Oh. You couldn't write it unless you were EA. Last pack. Game over. Game over. Don't even know what it is. It's not even blue. I don't even care. I got trolled. Look, just... Game over, boys. I lost. EA trolled. Thought I'd done it twice. Nilmar. Just... Hey. Hey. Oh, that's it. I lost. Oh, I got him twice. Got him twice. And I get him once. Got him twice. Yeah. I got him twice. Don't care what you say. I got him twice. I don't care what these goes for. Coins are coins. I'll buy another pack later on in about an hour when they go. I'll get no one. I'll cry. And then I'll post this on YouTube. And then I will sue EA for not giving me my player. That's how it rolls. Just don't care anymore. Just don't care anymore. We need some more girls in here. Oh, you know what? I don't want to look. I don't want to look. What am I doing? I don't even want to look. Oh, I don't want to look. Oh, no. Don't. Oh, Jack, what are you doing? Oh, no. It's going to hurt me so much. Should have got him. It's just not been my day. Just, no. No. Oh. Oh, no. No. Oh. I want him. I want him. Alright, see ya.